time, let's try more example. Okay, everyone, can you read?
Spinner with 4 equal sections, red, blue, green, yellow, plus 40 times. The results are shown below.
Okay, ito yung result, anak. Yung spinner merong 4 na kulay. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Ngayon, nung in-spin niya, ginawa niya yung actual experiment ilang times? 40 times. Ito yung naging frequency, lumabas. Now, let's answer letter A. So, what is the theoretical probability of spinning green? Take note, theoretical. Meaning, ano lang ang titignan natin? Yung color lang. Okay, ilan ang green? 1 over, ilan lahat yung kulay? Very good. Therefore, the probability of getting green is 1 over 4 or 0.25 or 25%. O, letter B. What is the experimental probability of spinning blue? So, ang titingnan natin na yung outcome. Tama? O, ilan yung blue, anak? 13 over the total number of trials. Okay, therefore, the answer is 13 over 40. That is the answer, or 0.325 or 32.5. So,